Hi everybody, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy! And today we're gonna make chocolate cake on an Oreo crust. So as you can see, I'm already getting going.
I'll eat it.
You'll eat it. Yeah, that'll be helpful. So what I do, I have all these double stuffed here. So I take them apart before I crush up the Oreos because I find it's much easier to crush Oreos without all the cream in there. So that's what I'm doing with a knife. And I'll be back after doing a whole thing of these cookies, an entire sleeve. We got a pretty good system going here where Opal hands me the cookie and then she puts the cookie into the rest of the cookies. And then I take off the cream and then she takes the other cookie and puts it in the bowl. Or that thing, that works too, I suppose. And then we continue on. We're almost there now. Alright, Opal, next we need to put all of them in this bag so we can crush them. Okay? So there's all the Oreos.
I'll put in this my mouth.
Oh, you're going to put the cream in your mouth. Alright. Is it tasty?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Maybe no more after that, okay? Okay.
When I wait in the oven, I can eat them.
Yep, after they're in the oven, you're right. Alright, Opal, what is this?
Butter.
And we're going to put it in this thing. Very good. Alright, Opal, next we got this angry metal thing, and we're going to bash them. You want to try?
Yeah.
Alright, we have crumbly Oreos, and I like to mix into the melted butter some of the filling that we had taken out. So that's that, and now we're going to throw in all the Oreos, and then we'll press it into the pan. I got a little lover over here giving me a hug mid-baking. We just got it into the pan. And now I have cream cheese, and we're gonna soften it in the microwave so that we can beat it.
We can stuff it.
We can beat it.
We can beat it. I want to salt it too.
Yeah. All right, Opal, what's this thing called?
Mommy's.
It's called the electric mixer, right?
Yeah.
And what do we do with our hands when Mommy mixes?
Look up. Keep my hands high.
Yeah, it's true. Keep them far away. Good job. Do you know what that is, Opal?
Yes.
What is it?
Mine.
It's sweetened condensed milk. Okay. I'm gonna open it, hopefully. All right. Can you pour this in?
Yes.
That's a pretty crazy consistency, isn't it? Keep pouring. Thick, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's in there?
Chocolate chips.
What are they?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips! We're gonna stick them in the microwave.
Egg.
That's an egg. We're gonna crack them, and we're not going to crack them on the counter where you just cracked one, are we? 'Cause
Yeah.
that's a waste of egg. Can you hand Mommy the next egg? Thank you. So we're gonna crack that. We're gonna beat it in, and then we're gonna put some vanilla in it. Hi, Violet. All right, Opal, what is this?
Vanilla.
Very good, vanilla. And it calls for a teaspoon and a half. And we're just gonna eyeball it. Don't squeeze it. Yep, that looks like about a teaspoon and a half. All right, last step, we're gonna pour this in. We're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna cook it. Thanks, Evan, for cooking. Opal, what happens after we cook it? What can we do with it? We can